Hi, Vitti. How are you?
Hi, very good. How are you?
You're looking hot. Where are you?
Thank you so much. Thanks to you.
Yes. So, Vitti, I think everyone, I think सबको महक भी बोल रही है I lost 13.5 kgs from your diet. Vitti, tell us about you. कितना weight loss किया? पहले join किया तो क्या डर लगा आपको? How are things? Tell me.
Same. I felt, whether I'll be able to lose or not. My stubborn fat, because I used to go for walks and all. But believe me, not even 100 grams I was able to lose. But with your diet, I mean, gradually I started losing, and seriously, when I started, I only wanted to lose 7 kgs. The way I started getting compliments, I was like, nahi, aur bhi. Then I landed up losing 12.
Wow.
12 kgs.
Okay, tell us
And
the secret. How much are you weighing right now?
I'm 51, 52. And I was 63 when I started.
Oh my God. Wow. Excellent. Excellent. Tell me something about your journey. ऐसे डर नहीं लगा ये लोग कौन है, ये ऐप क्या चीज है, मेंटर फोन नहीं करती है?
I've heard so much about you because there were 2-3 friends of mine who had actually taken. So they told me, I was like, all right. मुझे लगा कि शायद चलो there is no harm giving it a try that ways.
हाँ, ठीक है. फिर आपने क्या करा? लाइक आपको डाइट कैसी लगी, क्या किया? कैन यू टेल अस योर इनिशियल जर्नी? बिकॉज
बहुत मजा आया. डाइट जैसा कुछ लगा ही नहीं. सब कुछ खाने को था. इट वाज नॉट दैट आई वाज होल्डिंग बैक माई सेल्फ. सच बताओ तो बहुत चीटिंग भी करती थी.
वाओ, देखो. यस.
बट एंड आफ्टर द बेस्ट पार्ट इज, चलो जब तक तो आप कर रहे थे डाइट एंड यू लूजिंग वेट, but after that also I've left, and when I left your diet plan I think I was 54. उसके बाद में 51 तक आ गई, just following whatever you say.
Wow.
Cinnamon and honey water.
वाओ वाओ. अच्छा, टेल मी समथिंग. इतना सारा वेट लॉस किया बट स्किन और हेयर तो बड़े सही चल रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So what?
उसमें तो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा.
Yes. So there is a big fear in people that skin और hair खराब हो जाएंगे.
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Better. I feel more energetic. There was nothing like that. I mean, I didn't face any such problem, and everything was wonderful. Rather, I learned so much कि लगता है कि नहीं अब ये कर लो. अभी आज if I feel little bloated, no, have hing, okay, have hing रात को, and so many things and so many supplements that you've told us, it makes life so much easier. And मुझे लगता ही नहीं है कि अब वेट लॉस करना इतना मुश्किल था, इतना फेयर था. बट नाउ लगता है इट वाज अ केक वॉक विद यू यार.
Oh, now
Seriously.
tell me, wow. Tell me, ये जो डाइट होती है, लोगों को ये भी टेंशन होती है कि यार अलग खाना बनाना पड़ेगा. So आपने
बिल्कुल
क्या
नहीं.
किया? आपने
Just a normal food.
क्या था?
Normal
क्या था?
food
Tell them some menu items. Tell them some of your favorite dishes. कोई नया डिश डिस्कवर किया? Tell them.
your soups and chilas and everything. So whatever you used to give me, I used to make my family also eat that only, because it was very simple. And pulses, vegetable, everything. There was nothing that I had to put an extra effort for myself. It was all there, very basic. And of course my mentor used to ask me, क्या चाहिए, क्या खाना है, Chinese, Conti, what? So 10-day plan था. कभी Indian, कभी Conti, कभी South Indian. Everything was included in my diet. So it was so much fun.
हम पहले ही
Even
पूछ लेते
fruit
हैं.
creams, custards, सब कुछ. And I love Conti. So dinner तो मेरा, otherwise also I prefer my chicken breast, sauté vegetables and everything. And वही सब मिलता था. और बल्कि खाने को इतना ज्यादा मिलता था कि मुझे कम करना पड़ता था. कि नहीं खा सकती, बहुत ज्यादा है.
Yes. So first only because we
Now
want
you see, if you can see your
infused water with chia and lime.
yeah.
Wow.
So I am following all that, every day in my life. Whatever fruits I have handy, and I love your fennel water, fennel tea. So that is like, कुछ भी नहीं, बहुत अच्छा. And it was such a learning experience.
Awesome. अच्छा, यहाँ काफी लोग हैं जो सुन रहे हैं विटी आपको, एंड दे आर स्टिल वरीड can you tell us or give them one message? They are all our age, they are all women who are thinking करूँ नहीं करूँ, and then फिर चुन्नू की एग्जाम है, पति घर पे, वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, छुट्टी चल रही है,
कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत इजी है, बिल्कुल करो, मस्ट गो, इट्स सो मच इजियर. एंड I also started last time lockdown में, because lockdown में I had put on a lot of weight, and believe me, after that, so much of compliments, your people coming in, appreciating you, boosting you, it's so much fun, and it's so much easier to do it. कुछ भी नहीं है, it's basic. Yes, there was just one alteration that I did. That was, usually I used to take wheat flour, but उसको मैंने multigrain कर दिया. बस सिर्फ एक यही किया और कुछ भी नहीं, and which is of course very healthy. So my whole family eats multigrain roti and multigrain paratha, because I will take multigrain. I don't want to take wheat flour.
Wow, that suited you, that is why. अच्छा, यहाँ पे someone is asking, did you lose inches and belly fat?
I did, yeah. Overall weight loss was there. Yes, inch loss was there. Everything.
और exercises करी? Did you do any
बिल्कुल भी नहीं
exercise?
करी. No exercise, just sitting at home. I did not even walk. I didn't do anything because I'm not an exercise person at all.
हमारे
And that is what
clients.
Kati told me. कि अच्छा बिना exercise करे हो जाएगा. I was like, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. But ऐसा हुआ.
Yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं किया.
Because-
And when people ask me ना कि कैसे हुआ, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I was like, बेड पे बैठे बैठे हुआ है. Seriously.
Right. एक बार फिर से अपना टोटल लॉस बता दे, एंड कितने महीनों में हुआ बता दे.
In 3 months, I lost 11 kgs.
Superb.
And after losing 11 kgs, I was still following, in a sense, whatever Shati has told us. उसके बाद 2 किलो और कम हो गया. And I just didn't find it difficult at all. It was so much easy with you, Khyati, and
Wow.
Kajal, of course, was
Yes.
always there. The mentors are always there to help you. You want to change or alter anything, kuch bhi, they're always there. They'll guide you. So
Yes.
with you, awesome. But I had never ever heard app hoga, sab kuch pata chalega, you and your restaurant guides and everything. And not that I used to go out every second, third day with my husband. So I used to follow that restaurant guide. So weight ka kuch bhi nahi hua. And even alcohol intake, everything was there.
I know.
And eating and drinking and you're losing weight. What
Yes.
better?
So what worked? Did the portion size work? क्योंकि पहले भी करती थी ये सब और अब भी करती है, तो फर्क क्या था?
नहीं बस it was your diet, yeah. Everything that you taught, your supplements, just you did magic, yeah.
Okay, so portion sizing में कोई changes करे?
Portion size, yes, I control. Portion size is the key. You
Right.
have to make sure, because today also if I eat, like I made chicken or something, so I'll make sure I'll have portion size 75 grams of chicken, and I will add rough fish to it, like a bowl of salad with it.
Yes.
And if I'm having a roti, I'll have a multigrain roti.
Wow, खुद डिप्लोमा हो गया है आपका. Wow, very nice.
आपके साथ,
That is
thanks to you.
that.
And
you
your
have,
team.
You have a friend Ankush who's saying I have witnessed her weight loss. Ankush
I have?
Wachani. He or she is saying that I have witnessed her weight loss. I think ये आपके friend है.
He's my husband.
Oh, okay. Great, Ankush. I'm so happy. Okay, guys, this was Viti. Chalo, I'll see you soon. And थोड़ा walk करने लग अब, okay? You don't have to follow everything this girl has done, isn't it? मैंने exercise नहीं करी, but आप तो कर लो थोड़ी.
Okay.
Okay.
Chal, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nice talking to you. Bye bye.